Hi, let's travel, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Welcome to my channel, where we celebrate the spirit of adventure at every age, especially after 70. For many of us, the passion for travel doesn't fade with age. In fact, it often grows even stronger as we gain more life experience and curiosity about the world. As we enter our 70s and beyond, the way we travel needs to adapt to our changing needs and priorities, but that doesn't mean giving up on adventure. It's about traveling smarter, safer, and with more comfort, so we can truly soak in the joy of our journey, savoring every moment and making new memories along the way. In this video, we'll explore practical tips for senior travel, from preparing your health and medications to packing light, choosing the right insurance, and finding destinations that are both accessible and inspiring. My goal is to empower you to keep exploring this beautiful world, thoughtfully and joyfully, no matter your age. So grab your passport, and let's begin our journey together. Before booking any trip, start with a visit to your doctor. Discuss your itinerary, physical activities, and any pre-existing conditions. Make sure you have enough medication for your trip, plus a doctor's letter listing your prescriptions. Ask about necessary vaccinations and managing common travel ailments. Get a quick checkup to ensure you're fit for travel. This proactive approach gives you peace of mind and lets you focus on the adventure ahead. Your health is your true passport. Don't leave home without it. Let's move on to choosing the right destination. Picking the right destination is key for enjoyable senior travel. Look for places with great public transportation and accessible terrain. Think Vienna, Singapore, or Kyoto. Research medical facilities nearby, especially if you have health concerns. Consider the pace. A relaxed river cruise or a charming small town can be more rewarding than a hectic city. Match your destination to your comfort and abilities for a truly memorable trip. A little research goes a long way in ensuring a safe, enjoyable journey. Now, let's talk about packing smart. Packing light is essential for a stress-free trip. Start by choosing a lightweight spinner suitcase that's easy to maneuver, especially through busy airports or train stations. Look for one with sturdy wheels and a comfortable handle, as this will make your journey much smoother and reduce strain on your arms and back. When it comes to clothing, select coordinated, layerable pieces that can be mixed and matched for different occasions and weather. This way, you'll always have the right outfit without overpacking. Fabrics like merino wool are perfect for travel. They're light, wrinkle-resistant, and versatile, keeping you comfortable whether it's warm or cool. These materials also dry quickly, making them ideal for washing on the go. Your carry-on should hold all essentials. Think medications, important documents, a change of clothes, and basic toiletries. Having these within reach means you're prepared for any travel delays or lost luggage. Never pack daily meds in checked luggage. If you use mobility aids, bring a collapsible, travel-friendly version, and always confirm airline policies ahead of time to avoid surprises at the airport. Comfortable, broken-in shoes are a must. Pack 2 pairs to alternate, so your feet stay happy during long days of sightseeing or walking. Add a few comfort items from home, like a favorite pillow, a cozy blanket, or a small framed photo, to make hotel rooms feel welcoming and help you relax after a busy day. Packing smart frees you to enjoy the journey, letting you focus on new experiences instead of worrying about your bags or feeling weighed down. Next, let's discuss travel insurance. Comprehensive travel insurance is non-negotiable for senior travelers. Look for robust emergency medical coverage and make sure pre-existing conditions are included. Be honest about your health when applying. Full disclosure ensures valid coverage. Emergency evacuation and repatriation coverage are vital. Medical transport can be extremely costly. Trip cancellation, lost luggage, and travel delay coverage add extra peace of mind. Don't just pick the cheapest policy, compare what's actually covered. Good insurance lets you relax and enjoy your adventure, knowing you're protected. Now let's plan for a smooth, accessible journey. Proactive planning makes travel smoother and more accessible. Request wheelchair assistance at airports, even if you don't use one daily. Contact hotels directly to confirm accessibility details. Don't rely on website checkboxes. Research accessible ground transportation and public transit options in advance. Check major attractions accessibility online and plan your itinerary with built-in downtime. Pace yourself. One major activity per day, with time to rest and recharge. Smart planning prevents exhaustion and lets you truly enjoy each experience. Let's talk about staying connected and safe on the road. Staying connected is crucial for both your safety and your peace of mind, especially when traveling to new places. It's not just about sharing beautiful moments, but also about ensuring someone always knows where you are and how you're doing. Before you leave, share your itinerary with trusted family members or friends, and agree on regular check-ins, whether it's a quick text, a call, or a video chat. This way, your loved ones can support you and respond quickly if you need help. Make sure your phone will work abroad by getting a local SIM card or an international plan. Take time to practice using essential apps like maps, translation, and emergency contacts before your trip so you feel confident navigating unfamiliar places. Always carry an emergency information card with your medical details, allergies, and insurance contacts. Keep it in your wallet or bag, where it's easy to find in case of an emergency. Stay informed about local news, weather, and any travel advisories. Enroll in your country's traveler program to receive important alerts and updates directly to your phone or email. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, don't hesitate to change your plans or seek help. Your intuition is a valuable tool for staying safe. Keep your valuables secure at all times and stay aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded or unfamiliar areas. Simple precautions can prevent most problems. By staying connected and informed, you empower yourself to travel with greater confidence, independence, and peace of mind, making your journey more enjoyable and secure. Now let's address some hidden challenges of travel and how you can prepare for them. Travel brings hidden challenges: fatigue, jet lag, and dietary changes. Schedule rest and don't underestimate the value of an afternoon nap. Adjust to new time zones gradually and get plenty of daylight. Ease into local cuisine and be mindful of food and water safety. Carry dietary restriction cards if needed. Combat loneliness by connecting with fellow travelers or locals, and take time for familiar comforts. Let go of the fear of missing out. Focus on quality experiences, not quantity. Deep travel is about savoring moments, not rushing through sights. Finally, let's wrap up with some encouragement. Traveling after 70 is about thoughtful preparation, not limitation. Prioritize safety and comfort, but don't let it overshadow the joy of discovery. Share your own tips and favorite destinations in the comments to inspire others. Thank you for joining me. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Keep your travel dreams alive and remember, the world is still yours to explore. Until next time, keep on traveling. Safe journeys, everyone.